Over 70 and flying? 12 genius travel hacks airlines don't advertise. Hello, fellow travelers. If you're over 70 and flying, you're in for a treat and a smooth ride. Today, we're counting down 12 genius travel hacks that airlines definitely don't advertise, but will make your trip so much easier and cheaper. Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or preparing for your first flight in decades, these tips have got you covered. Fun fact: seniors made up 37% of all travelers in 2024, so you're far from alone up there. We'll go from hack number 12 down to number 1, and trust me, number 1 is a game changer that could save you a ton of money. Before we take off, do me a quick favor. If you find these tips helpful, or you just enjoy a good laugh, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Now, tray tables up, seats in the upright position. Let's dive into the countdown. 12. Breeze through TSA security with 75 plus perks. Airports can be a hassle, but here's a security shortcut just for seasoned travelers. Did you know that if you're age 75 or older, the TSA lets you keep your shoes and light jacket on during screening? That's right. While the younger folks are hopping around unlacing boots, you can strut through with your dignity and footwear intact. Security officers might even give you a second pass through the metal detector before resorting to a pat-down. Fewer remove your clothes moments, yes please. And if you do get selected for additional screening, don't be shy. You can ask to be seated in a chair while they check you. The agents are used to it. Pro tip: use the family or special assistance lane if available, since officers there are trained to help seniors and those with medical devices. Bottom line, take advantage of those senior-friendly TSA rules. You've earned the right to sail through security with your shoes on, a perk us younger folks can only dream about. Call to action: enjoying these hacks? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insider tips. And share your own travel tricks in the comments. We'd love to hear them. 11. Ride the free airport chariot. Wheelchair and cart assistance. Long walks through giant airports? No, thank you. One of the best kept secrets: airlines will chauffeur you around for free if you ask for wheelchair or cart assistance. Even if you're perfectly capable of walking but just can't face a mile-long terminal, it's okay to request this service. In fact, in 2023, American Airlines helped over 8 million passengers with assistance like this, so you're in good company. And yes, it costs you nothing. Airlines provide wheelchairs and electric carts free of charge by law. Picture it: you get a friendly attendant rolling you through security and to your gate, bypassing the crowds. It's like an airport fast pass. Plus, you won't arrive at your gate huffing and puffing. You'll glide in with energy to spare. If you have a tight connection, the airline can even have someone waiting to zip you to the next gate. Airlines don't advertise this because, well, they can't push everyone around, but it's there for those who need it. So whether you have mobility issues or you're just saving your strength for the actual vacation, don't hesitate to request a wheelchair or a cart when booking or at the check-in counter. Think of it as your personal airport chariot service. Now, before we jump into the next hack, let's talk comfort. If you've ever tried to sleep on a plane only to be woken up by neck pain, cabin noise, or that one guy snoring 3 rows back, you're not alone. That's why we love the Mobionics Cloud Nap Pro Band, the ultimate Bluetooth 5.0 sleep headband designed with travelers in mind. It's a soft, adjustable headband with built-in speakers, so you can drift off to your favorite music, white noise, or guided meditation without bulky headphones or fighting with your seatmate's elbow. Whether you're in economy or business class, it turns your seat into a cozy sleep zone. And yes, it's perfect for seniors. Use promo code FLYING10 to get 10% off your Cloud Nap Pro Band at mobionics.store. 10. Pre-board like a VIP. No rushing or jostling. Hate the mad scramble of boarding time? Here's a hack. Pre-boarding isn't just for people with small kids. It's for anyone who needs a little extra time or assistance. Airlines won't blast this on a billboard, but at the gate you'll often hear an announcement like, "Now inviting those who need extra time to board." That's your cue. Simply notify the gate agent that you'd appreciate early boarding. No elaborate explanation needed. A polite, "I'd like a little extra time getting down the aisle," will do. What's the payoff? You get to settle into your seat before the stampede. Take your time walking down the jet bridge. Get help stowing your carry-on if you need. Flight attendants are happy to assist when the aisle isn't jam-packed. And breathe easy as the plane fills up around you. Pre-boarding means no wrestling for overhead space or getting bumped by rushing passengers. It's a stress-free start to the flight. Airlines keep this low-key because if everyone knew, they'd all try to pre-board. But this is your perk to use, especially if mobility is a bit challenging, or you just prefer a calmer boarding experience. Enjoy the VIP treatment. You deserve it. 9. Pack a medical bag. Extra baggage freebies. Worried about all your medications, CPAP machine, and medical gadgets not fitting in your luggage? Good news. Medical supplies and assistive devices don't count toward your bag limit. This is a hack airlines won't tell you when you're agonizing over carry-on limits. Regulations in the US and many countries say the usual 2-bag carry-on limit does not apply to medical equipment, mobility aids, and supplies. In other words, your CPAP, cane, wheelchair, medications, etc. fly free. They're not counted as extra bags. Here's how to use this. Pack a separate small bag for your prescription meds, insulin, blood pressure monitor, or any medical paperwork. Label it as such. You can bring this in addition to your regular carry-on and personal item. Security may screen it, but they won't force you to toss your important pills or pay extra. Also, if you have liquid medications or nutrition over the usual 3.4-ounce limit, you're allowed to carry those in reasonable quantities. Just declare them at security as medically necessary. The same goes for things like gel heating pads or cream for arthritis. If it's for medical use, it gets a pass. Airlines certainly don't advertise. Bring an extra bag, but in this case, you can. So load up that medical essentials bag with peace of mind. It's like a little loophole that ensures you have everything you need for your health and comfort without paying a penny more or stuffing your pockets with pill bottles. 8. Stay hydrated and snack smart. Bring your own. Ever notice how the minute you board a plane, you're suddenly parched and starving? Cabin air is drier than the Sahara, with humidity around just 20%. Sometimes as low as 10%. No wonder our mouths feel like cotton. Here's the hack airlines won't suggest. Bring your own water bottle and snacks. They prefer you buy the $5 airport water, or hope tiny pretzel packs tide you over. But savvy seniors know better. Bring an empty water bottle through security. Empty is key. TSA's not a fan of your 16 ounces of lemonade. Once past the checkpoint, fill it up at a water fountain or hydration station. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Your body will thank you at 30,000 feet when that desert dry air starts sucking moisture from you. For snacks, pack your favorites from home. Unsalted nuts, a piece of fruit, carrot sticks, or even a cheeky cookie. Not only will you save money, but you'll have something you actually like to nibble on during the flight. And here's a secret. You can ask the flight attendants for extra snacks or water during the flight. They usually have more, especially on longer journeys. A polite request like, "Could I have another water, please?" is never refused. Some airlines carry small goodies, juice, crackers, even those Biscoff cookies. They'll happily give if you ask nicely. They just don't announce it. Because who wants 180 people lined up for freebies? So, BYO sustenance and don't be shy to supplement with the airline's offerings. You'll fly more comfortably, avoid getting dehydrated or cranky, and arrive ready to enjoy your trip instead of desperately hunting for the nearest cafe the second you land. 7. Use airport lounges. Yes, you can. Airport lounges aren't just for first-class flyers or business travelers. Seniors can enjoy them too, and often at a discount. Some lounges, like Aspire, offer 10% off-day passes for guests over 65. Even without a discount, paying for a pass during a long layover can be well worth it. You'll get comfy seating, free snacks, clean restrooms, and a peaceful space away from noisy gates. Here's a pro tip. If your flight is delayed or there's a special situation, ask the airline for lounge access. They might grant it to keep you happy. It's not advertised, but being polite can work wonders. Frequent travelers should also consider lounge access credit cards or memberships like Priority Pass. Some offer affordable perks with no age restrictions. So, next time you're at the airport, skip the plastic chairs and claim your well-earned comfort. You've got more lounge power than the airlines want you to know. 6. Fly when others won't. Avoid crowds and save money. One big perk of retirement, you control your schedule. Skip the weekend crowds and fly during off-peak times, like Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Saturdays. when flights are often cheaper and less crowded. Google's travel data shows midweek flights can be 13% cheaper than weekend ones. Plus, fewer travelers mean shorter lines, calmer airports, and a better chance of snagging an empty seat next to you. Avoid early bird business flights and go for late morning or early afternoon midweek departures. They're usually quiet and stress-free. Airlines won't advertise these cheaper windows because they profit more when planes are packed, but smart travelers use flexible date tools online to spot the savings. Your wallet and sanity will thank you. So next time you book, travel when others can't and enjoy a peaceful journey with the skies practically to yourself. If you're loving these tips, hit like, tap subscribe, and share this with a friend over 70. 5. Talk to a human. It can unlock hidden perks. In today's app-driven world, calling an airline might feel old school, but for seniors, it can be a smart travel hack. Some airlines have hidden senior discounts or special fares that aren't visible online and must be booked by phone. A friendly agent can check for 65+ deals, apply promo codes, or suggest cheaper dates you may not spot yourself. Phone agents can also add assistance notes, like requesting a wheelchair or reserving an aisle seat for mobility, often at no extra charge. And if you're polite and mention a medical issue, they might even waive fees, like change penalties. Apps won't do that. Bonus: many agents love helping kind, chatty seniors. Your call could brighten their day, and they might go the extra mile to return the favor. So next time you're booking, don't just click call. That quick conversation might unlock perks and savings no app ever could. 4. Know your rights. Airlines hope you don't. This tip isn't flashy, but it's powerful. Know your passenger rights when things go wrong. Airlines won't volunteer this info because it can cost them, but it could mean real money in your pocket. If you're bumped from a flight, US law may entitle you to up to $1,350 in compensation. Delays or cancellations. You may qualify for refunds, hotel stays, or rebooking, especially in the US and EU, where compensation rules are stronger. For example, EU flight delays over 3 hours can mean $300 to $700 per passenger. Lost luggage? You can claim reimbursement up to $3,800 for US domestic flights. The key? Ask. Airlines won't advertise these perks, but if you're calm and informed, you'll often get what you're owed. Do a quick search or use a passenger rights app while waiting. A little knowledge can turn a travel headache into a surprise payday. Be smart. You've got rights. 3. Flash that AARP card for big travel discounts. Your AARP or senior membership isn't just for restaurant discounts. It can unlock major travel savings. Airlines don't advertise. For example, AARP members can save up to $200 on round-trip flights with certain airlines, like British Airways. US carriers such as American, Delta, and United also offer senior fares, typically around 5% off, but you'll need to select a senior option or call to book. Think of it like a secret menu. The deals are real, just hidden. Always check for 65+ discounts when booking online, or ask a travel agent. If you're an AARP member, start your search at their travel portal for exclusive flights, hotels, and rental car deals, often 5 to 15% off. Don't hesitate to ask, do you have a senior discount? You've earned it. Every dollar saved on airfare is more to spend on your trip. Flash that card proudly. It's your golden ticket to travel deals. 2. Turn oversold flights into free travel. Volunteer to get bumped. This tip's a little bold, but it can seriously pay off. Airlines frequently oversell flights, and when they do, they ask for volunteers to take a later one in exchange for perks like cash, flight vouchers, meal coupons, or even hotel stays. If your schedule's flexible, hello, retirement, volunteer to get bumped. When the gate agent makes the call, be quick. Early volunteers get the best offers. Payouts can go up to $1,350 depending on the delay. Sometimes they'll even upgrade you to first class on the next flight. If you're not in a rush, a few extra hours at the airport could fund your next vacation. Just confirm the details, cash or voucher, expiration date, meals or hotel included, always get it in writing. Airlines don't promote this. It costs them money, but if you're game, you could literally get paid to travel. Not bad for a little detour. 1. Snag secret senior airfare deals, up to 50% off tickets. And now, the ultimate hack for travelers over 70. Hidden senior airfare discounts. Many major airlines offer special fares for seniors, sometimes up to 50% off, but they don't advertise them. These deals are often tucked away in fare rules, or only visible after entering your age during booking. Carriers like American, Delta, and United offer 5 to 10% off for travelers 65 plus, and international airlines like Air France, Vistara, and Air India provide even bigger savings for seniors. Some offer free checked bags or additional perks with senior passes. The trick? Always ask. Check for senior fare categories online, call the airline, or search senior fares on their site. You might uncover discounts the booking page doesn't show. Pair these savings with other travel hacks, like midweek flights, and you're traveling smarter than most. Airlines won't hand this info out, but now you're in the club. Go ahead. Book smart and save big. Before you disembark from this video, let's do a quick recap and final checklist. We learned how to breeze through security, get royal treatment at airports, snag freebies on planes, travel when it's cheapest, and save big with senior discounts and savvy moves. Travel truly doesn't have to be hard or expensive, even when you're over 70. In fact, with age comes wisdom, and you can travel smarter than ever. If you found value in these tips, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more genius travel hacks for seniors and everyone else. We'd love to have you in our community of savvy travelers. Have any questions or your own travel hack to share? Drop it in the comments below. You might help out someone else or inspire our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to many happy, safe, and hack-filled adventures ahead. No matter your age, the world is yours to explore. Now go out there and fly smart, and don't forget to enjoy the journey. Safe travels. Subscribe for more and happy travels.